Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to July's BoxyPremium unboxing. Yes, July's. This box did not show up at my door until July 31st. So I'm just now getting around to film it. I did, in full disclosure here, I did open this already and film this video once. However, my camera ate my footage. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe I didn't press record. Who knows? So I'm just going to go through it again with you guys. It is going to be a negative video, just so you know. So if you are not feeling the negativity, I won't mind if you decide to not stick around. But yeah, we're going to talk about that in just a minute. Before we do, if you're new here, hi, my name is Annie. I am a 40-something lover of color who believes that you can have fun with color at any age. If that sounds interesting, if you'd like to see a little more color in your timeline, if you love color as much as I do and as much as I know all of my subscribers here do, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe. So before we dive in, I did paint my nails today. I am like a 3-year-old with a Sharpie when I paint my nails, and I basically just paint my entire finger and then let it wear off. So they're really ugly, so try not to look too closely at those. Now let's go into this box here. So like I said, this is the July BoxyPremium. BoxyPremium is a monthly subscription service. You pay $35 every month. They send you 6 items. And you're supposed to have like a retail value of, I want to say for BoxyPremium, it's supposed to be like over $150 or $175. I can't remember. I'm a little ticked off with BoxyCharm so far right now. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to open up the box here. It is very large, so I've got it kind of set to the side here. This month I did actually get a card. Last month in my premium I didn't get a card, so I will be able to tell you what the retail value of all of these things is. Oh my god, my hair is a disaster. Oh, I will be able to tell you the retail value of what everything is. So this month is Boxy Sunshine. That's what we are. Let's go ahead and pull the first thing out. This was my choice item. So this is the Kenia Ontiveros, I'm so sorry if I said that wrong, Beauty. So the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. So let's see what it says. Universally flattering blush and highlight powders are combined in one palette to create flawless cheek looks. The kit includes 3 highlighters to enhance your cheekbones and 3 perfectly matched blushes to achieve radiant and endless looks. This retails for $42. So it comes in this little sleeve here. I think that the outer packaging, if I can get it to open, is very nice. It has like a faux, like a crocodile kind of imprint on it. I think it's really pretty, very luxe looking. It feels nice in the hand. It's not really lightweight. It feels nice and expensive. However, when you open it up here, I'm going to take the slip out. There's only one shade of highlighter that'll work for me, and that is this shade right here. These two are much, much too dark for my fair skin tone. I could make all 3 of these blushes work, but it's really not worth it. I think I would rather pass this on to someone else who could use it. So this is a dud for me. This is going to be the theme of this box. Again, I think this is pretty, and I would like to know what the quality is. If you got this in your box or something similar, how's the quality of this brand? Because it really is pretty, and I think that, like I said, I think that the packaging is nice, and I think it does look really nice. It's just, it's not meant for me in my pale skin tone. Moving along to the next item in my box. This is the Folly Fire Matte Manipulation Trio. So this is a trio of lipsticks. It is 3 shades of red. This is the outer packaging here. It's kind of cute. And these are the shades here inside. I'm going to read you what it says on the card. It says, and this is very silly, so be warned. You know what you want, and they're not cheap. Everything has its price, but gorgeous lips are priceless. Grab our reds ranging from deep burgundy to pink nude to cover all aspects of your daily conquests. These retail for $39.99 according to BoxyCharm. So here's the inner packaging. Again, I think the packaging is cute. The presentation is really nice. And then if we pull these out, here are the shade names on the bottom. We have Here to Slay, Sunset Boulevard, and Full House. So we'll kind of go deepest to lightest. Let's see if I can open this without totally wrecking my probably still damp nails. Oop, too late, done. This is the first shade. So here's what the packaging looks like. Now it is very, very lightweight. This does not feel expensive in any way. It is just very lightweight plastic. And then it's your typical bullet lipstick. I think this is actually a very pretty color. I do like these kind of really deep red vampy shades. I have no idea what the formula is. I'm not going to swatch this because I haven't decided whether I'm going to keep these or not. That's just kind of where I am there. So that is the shade, again, that is Full House. The next shade, we'll kind of go, I guess, through the color spectrum here, is Here to Slay, which is a bright red, judging by the sticker. Again, same packaging. And yes, it is a very, very bright red. It looks like this. I'd say that's kind of more of a, like, I don't know. It's very, very red. I get the feeling it might pull a little to the pink side when you put this on. Again, I'm not going to swatch it because I'm just not sure I'm going to keep it. And the last shade that is in this is the shade Sunset Boulevard. Now the sticker looks like it's going to be fairly dark, but I can tell you, because again, I have looked at these already. This is a very pale pink, so that sticker is very misleading. This is what this shade looks like here. Again, I think this is actually a pretty color. I would probably like that color. So this might be one of the items in this box, maybe the only item in this, well, one of two items that I would actually keep. We shall see. Moving along to the next item. This is the big ticket item of the box. This is the Bitter Essence Toner. The Bitter Green Essence Toner is packed with 33 different green vegetable extracts, including artichoke, broccoli, and basil, that will hydrate and purify your skin, helping to smooth unwanted texture. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish the skin while protecting it from premature aging. Retail value of this is supposedly $95. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand before. Have you guys heard of this brand? Have you used it? Is it good? I don't know. We shall find out, I suppose. So this is what it looks like. The packaging, I'd say, is nice. This is not a glass jar, it's plastic, but it is like a heavier plastic. It's not, you know, the kind that you can squeeze. So it does feel nice in the hand. The toner looks a little thick. It's a little viscous looking, not at all like what I'm used to a toner looking like, which is typically just completely like liquid. This is definitely like viscous. It does say on the box that it is paraben, mineral oil, phenoxyethanol, I can never say this, benzophenone, phthalate, and I don't know what this other one is, triclosan free. So I guess that's nice. And is there any other information? It is cruelty free as well, but it does not look like it's vegan. It does say after cleansing, gently sweep a Bitter Green Essence Toner over face and neck using your fingertips. Apply morning and night. Can be used daily. Okay, I'll give this a try. I'm always up for trying something that's going to help with texture and help with, you know, signs of aging and all of that stuff. So I will give this a try. I highly doubt that this will be worth $95, but there we have it. So I think we just went through the two things that I'm actually going to keep. And again, I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep these yet or not. Moving on. Let's move on to this item here. This is the Laura Geller Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner. So it says on the little card here, create killer eye looks that stun with intense bold lines and graphic cream kohl effects. With this Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner, a sleek, sexy, smoky eye look is strokes away. Retails for $24. Now I got mine in the shade Black and Gold. So this just makes me giggle. I'm not gonna lie. So it has a gold side here, and you open that up. This is what it looks like. First of all, I don't know why I think this shape is so funny, but I think that this is hilarious and it just makes me laugh. I don't know why it needs to be so pointy at the top. I don't know. I'm not going to swatch this because this is not my thing. So this is the amount of product you get on the gold side. I don't know. I guess you're supposed to swipe that across your eye, maybe draw lines with it, I don't know, but then it's going to get to the fat part and it's not going to be good. And then this is the eyeliner part. And again, holy cow, look at the size of the tip on this. It's just, I'm sorry, Laura Geller, I don't know what you were thinking, but this is insane. It's just insane. I don't know. I am not going to keep this. I would never use the gold side. The black side is way too big for my hooded eyes. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. And then I guess I'm going to save the worst for last. Let's go in with the big thing that everybody got, which I would argue is very far from luxe. It is the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette. So it's Morphe. I do not think that Morphe is premium in any way, shape, or form. This is a drugstore brand. This is not a premium brand. We're going to start with that right off the bat. When you get these lipsticks from a brand you've never heard of that cost more than a palette, there's a problem. Let's go ahead and read what it says though. It says, "Are you ready to go glam with Manny MUA? This mirrored palette pairs 12 wearable anything but basic eyeshadows. In matte and shimmer finishes with 2 stunning highlighters. Yes, you've got every reason to be shook. Retails for $20. You guys have probably seen this palette before, but I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. I will say, for being a Morphe palette, I think that the packaging is very nice. It looks nice, at least. I mean, and it feels nice. It's not that cheap plastic or, you know, anything like that. So there is that. But let's open up the thing. Oh gosh, there goes the slip. So it's got the mirror up top, and then these are the shades. Now they say anything but basic. I would say this is everything that's basic. There is nothing exciting or not basic about these shades at all. Nothing. These are the most boring basic shades. If you are a neutral lover, I'm sure that this is beautiful for you and I'm sure that you would love it. But for me, this is definitely not it. Again, like I said, it does feel nice, it looks nice, and if you are a neutral person who likes Morphe shadows, then you would probably be happy to get this. I am not that person. I don't like neutrals and I don't like Morphe shadows. I have tried Morphe's formula in the past and I have given every single one of my Morphe palettes away because I put them on and they crease within minutes. I mean, oftentimes I will not even finish my makeup and they will have creased. So Morphe shadows are definitely not where it's at for me. They're just not. And then here's the very last thing in the box, and this ticks me off as well. This is the BoxyCharm Neon Jelly Pouch with pom-poms. How is this a premium item? Let's read what it says. It says, these vibrant colored, water-resistant neon jelly pouches are essential for all your summer needs, perfect for storing beauty products, beach necessities, and so much more. Retails for $20. $20 for this cheap pouch made out of rubber or latex. I don't know what it's made out of, but whatever it's made out of, $20. Are you joking? That's ridiculous. You can pick something like this up at the dollar store. It looks like it came from the dollar store. You can probably pick something up like this from Oriental Trading Company. I'm sorry, $20 for this BoxyCharm, that's ridiculous. I can see throwing this in as like an extra, but throwing this in and saying it cost $20 and expecting us to kind of swallow that really ticks me off. And I'm also very just ticked off that I didn't get this box until the very last day of the month. I couldn't make the decision about whether or not I wanted to cancel because I didn't get the box in time, which really, really bugs me. I get that we're in the middle of a pandemic. I do. I expect shipping to be slowed down. I do. However, I got my shipping notification for this box on the 5th of the month. It sat for I don't know, 20 days or so before it actually ever left the building. That's not okay. It's just not. And it's also just not okay to like take the money out on the first, and they are Johnny on the spot when it comes to taking your money out, and then not ship your box in a timely fashion. Again, I expect some delays. I'm used to getting my box before all of this stuff happened. I would get my box around the 12th. I could see it coming later in the month. I think last month it came, you know, around like the 20th or so, 24th, something like that. I could see that. But the very, very last day of the month for it to show up, it's just not okay. I'm sorry. So let's talk about, sorry, rant over. Let's talk about how much my box was worth. Let me pull up my calculator app here. And let's just go down the list here. So the Mani palette was $20. The bitter toner, the bitter essence toner was $95. The lipstick trio was $39.99. The Laura Geller, whatever that was, is $24. The blush kit is $42. Again, that's expensive for a brand I've not heard of before. And then that bag for $20. So all totaled, my box came to $240.99. I would argue that is not accurate because I don't think that this should have been counted at all. So I'm going to knock it down right off the bat to $220, which is not bad for, you know, if I was going to use the stuff. However, the only thing I can really see myself using is probably this. And again, I don't know much about this. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research on it to see what I think about it. But this is the only thing I can see myself using. These lipsticks are a big maybe, but I honestly don't know that I'm going to use these either. I might put these in my giveaway pile. So yeah, BoxyCharm, I am not happy. It's too late for me to cancel August because of course they already billed. Yeah, that is everything, and I'm very disappointed. If you get BoxyCharm, how did you guys feel about your boxes this month? Do you feel the same way as I do? Do you feel like they're kind of taking a little bit of advantage of this global situation to kind of slow stuff down? I just feel like we're not getting our value that we used to get. So I'm going to say goodbye. I am so sorry that this was so negative. Oh, I did film this look. It should be up next week. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, that will be coming. And I'm going to say goodbye now. If you enjoyed today's really ranty, really grumpy video, please leave a like down below. While you're there, scooch on over, hit subscribe. Next to subscribe is that little bell. I'd love it if you'd ring that, then you'll get notified of all of my uploads. And I am on Instagram as well, at @SeeMyBliss_beauty. You can find me there pretty much every day of the week, unless I am knocked out by a migraine like I was this weekend. So with that said, I am going to head off. I'm going to take this bandage off of my arm. I went today to have an antibody test. So we shall see. I don't know how accurate those are, but I did do that today. Yay me. So yeah, that being said, have a wonderful day. Please wash your hands, wear your masks, be kind to your friends and neighbors, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.